Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we talked about data collection methods in research. Today, we will take it further and discuss how to design effective data collection techniques and tools. This is a crucial step in ensuring that the data you collect is accurate, reliable, and useful for your research. So let's dive right in. Before we get into the specifics, let's discuss why designing effective data collection techniques and tools is so important. Imagine you are a cook preparing a meal. The ingredients you choose and how you prepare them will define the dish quality. Similarly, in research, the tools and techniques you use to collect data will greatly impact the quality of your findings. Poorly designed tools can lead to biased, incomplete, or inaccurate data, which can destabilize your entire study. So, designing effective data collection techniques and tools involve several key steps. So let's go through them one by one with some example to show each step. First, you need to define your research objectives clearly. What specific information are you trying to gather? For example, if you are studying customer satisfaction, your objective might be understanding the factor influencing customer loyalty. Next, choose the data collection method best suits your objectives. This could be surveys, interviews, observations, or a combination of methods. For example, interviews might be the best choice if you want to gather detailed qualitative insights. Surveys might be more appropriate if you need quantitative data from a large sample. So once you have chosen your method, it's time to develop your data collection tools. Let's look at some examples. Design your survey with straightforward, concise questions. Use a mix of open-ended and closed-ended questions to gather both quantitative and qualitative data. For example, how satisfied are you with our services? This is a closed-ended example. And what can we do to improve? This is an open-ended question. So you can include both type of question in your surveys. Next, create an interview guide with a list of questions and prompts. Ensure that your questions are open-ended to encourage detailed responses. For example, can you describe your experience with our product? This is an interview question example. Next, develop a checklist to record observations systematically. For example, if you are observing classroom behavior, your checklist might include categories like student engagement, teacher-student interaction, and classroom environment. These kind of categories will help you to collect proper observations. Next, conduct a pilot test before you use your tools in the actual study. This involves using your tools on a small representative sample to identify any issues or areas for improvement. For example, you might distribute your survey to a small group of customers and ask for feedback on the clarity of the questions. So based on the feedback from your pilot test, revise and refine your tools. This might involve rewording confusing questions, adding or removing questions, or adjusting your observation checklist. The goal is to ensure that your tools are clear, comprehensive, and effective. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind when designing your data collection techniques and tools. First, be clear and concise. Avoid jargon and complex language. Make sure your question and instruction are easy to understand. Second, ensure relevance. Every question should have a clear purpose and directly relate to your research objectives. The third is avoid bias. Avoid leading questions or loaded language that could bias your respondents' answers. For example, instead of asking, "Why do you love our product?" ask, "What is your opinion about our product?" or about our product. Fourth is consider accessibility. Ensure that your tools are accessible to all participants. This might involve providing translations, offering different formats, paper and online surveys, or accommodating participants with disabilities. The fifth one is maintain confidentiality. Assure your participants that their responses will be kept confidential and used only for research purposes. This helps build trust and encourage honest responses. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to designing effective data collection techniques and tools. Remember, the quality of your data collection process directly impacts the validity and reliability of your research findings. So in our next video, we will explore data analysis methods and how to make sense of your collected data. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. See you next time. Thank you so much.